Hey everybody. So a quick tip. I thought this was pretty cool. By the way, disclaimer: there may be. I don't know if there's existing packages or nodes. I'm sure there are that can do this, but I think this is useful anyway. Um, Somebody in the Discord asked about sorting, and they had a list like this. Also, if you want to join the Discord, the link's below, so check that out. And they posted this, and they used some nodes inside of Dynamo, and it wasn't sorting it. It was doing this here, and so my default is always Python. I don't even attempt to try to do it in Dynamo. Sometimes it kind of depends on the thing I'm trying to do. But I didn't create this, and that's why I just wanted to show you guys. I think it's super cool. I think regex is really powerful. I can't say that I know it very well, but I've used it in a number of things when it comes to dealing with strings. So I thought this was cool, and something quick to show you guys. Something that you guys may find useful. I know that I've ran into sorting issues a number of times in my career, so maybe somebody else will see this and that will help you out. Anyways, the question was about sorting. Text with numbers, which just happens to be exactly what we're trying to do over here. And you can see even when we go 1C, or we have a letter after the number, it still writes it correctly. So loading 3B, and then we see loading 3C. So super cool. I didn't write this. I'm going to I'll share this Dynamo script just so you can have the code, but I'm going to put the link to the actual Stack Overflow right there so that you guys can click on it and check it out yourself. But yeah, I only want to share this because hopefully this, if you're doing something with this stuff, maybe this will help you. So anyways, thanks for watching. I know it was a quick one. I appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe and like. And yeah, join the Discord if you want to ask cool Dynamo questions. Cool. See ya. Thanks.